see what the Chibson is all about. I asked them to not include the trademark logo on the headstock, but I have heard some guys are saying that they ignore that request. It's like a giant piece of styrofoam. It looks like it's packed pretty well. And it looks like they ignored my request to not put the trademark logo on it. But I have heard that's common. They put tape over it. Electrical tape. Wow. Well, maybe I'll just leave it there. Then I'm not violating any trademarks. Wow. It smells very Chinese, but it looks pretty nice. Wow, the finish is really, really nice. Although they called it black, but I will say it's almost like a hint of purple. The frets feel good. No sprout. I think that's just dust. Overall, I am pretty impressed so far. We're going to dig into it deeper. I'll probably replace the electronics and the tuning pegs. The action looks decent. Yeah, so there it is, the Chibson.